When you think of a minivan, exciting might not be the first word that comes to mind. But the 2025 Chrysler Pacifica is here to change that perception. Packed with advanced technology, modern styling, and family-friendly innovations, this isn't just a minivan, it's a rolling command center designed to make every journey smoother and smarter. One of the Pacifica's standout features is its Stow and Go seating. This clever system lets you tuck the second row seats completely into the floor, creating a flat cargo space in seconds. Whether you're hauling groceries, luggage, or sports gear, this minivan adapts instantly. To make life even easier, Chrysler includes a built-in vacuum for quick cleanups and secure hooks to prevent your shopping bags from tipping over. Under the hood, the 2025 Pacifica gives you two powertrain choices. The standard 3.6L V6 engine pushes out 287 horsepower, delivering smooth acceleration and a refined ride. If fuel savings are a priority, the plug-in hybrid variant offers 260 horsepower and up to 33 miles of all-electric driving. With a total range of 540 miles, it keeps you on the road longer and away from the gas station. Chrysler has streamlined the Pacifica lineup for 2025, offering 3 trims: Select, Limited, and Pinnacle. Even the base Select trim feels high-end, featuring synthetic leather, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Opt for the Limited, and you'll unlock the S Appearance package, which enhances the Pacifica's style with sporty accents and sleek wheels. Need to haul extra gear? The Pacifica's gas-powered model can tow up to 3,600 pounds, making it a great companion for road trips and outdoor excursions. It's also impressively fuel-efficient, reaching up to 31 miles per gallon on the highway, while the hybrid's electric driving capability makes city commuting even more cost-effective. With strong competition from the Toyota Sienna, Honda Odyssey, and Kia Carnival, the minivan segment is packed with great choices. But the 2025 Chrysler Pacifica holds its own with cutting-edge features, smooth performance, and a perfect blend of practicality and style. Whether you're running errands, planning a road trip, or simply looking for a smarter way to drive, this minivan proves that family vehicles don't have to be boring.